Hi, Stephen Callahan here at the SJCOE Fab Lab with another episode of Fast App Script for Teachers. We're going to take just a few minutes to show how to do some simple programming for you in Google Apps Script, and we'll also cover a California Computer Science standard. So let's get started because we have so little time. What we're going to do today is display some data. We're going to take a little bit of data from a spreadsheet and we're going to output it in a couple of ways. And the reason part of why we're going to do this is because when we're programming, we often need information stored in different ways so that we can process that information and get the specific output we want. So we're kind of doing like a little part of something useful to get us to a good end goal. So what we're also doing is learning California Computer Science Standard 6-8DA 7. And what is that? Well, it's that we want to represent data in multiple ways. So let's go ahead and get started. So right here in our program, we have a spreadsheet, and we just have some names: Aaron and Adam and Alice and Amanda and Bruce. Well, I'm going to want to do a little bit of work with that data. So remember, we can get to the script editor by going to script editor. I already have the script editor here open on a different tab. And what we've done is we've made two different buttons, added them to the menu: output CSV and output list. And our my function that we always start with, I tied that to the output CSV, and another function called my list down here is tied to this menu item. Now, these two programs are very similar, or functions, very similar. In fact, one I copied to make the other. But here's the key. On this one, as we go through the data, notice there's a for loop, and we keep on iterating through a list of the values. These two lines of code get those values in the spreadsheet. And we make a variable called list, and then it gets filled with the names and a comma. Over here, what we did was we added the code for a bullet point and a carriage return. So what it does is then it opens up an alert and it adds in that list that we created. So let's try it out. Say output CSV. Oh, there we go. Aaron and Adam and Alice and Amanda and Bruce. And this one, list. Good. You know what? I didn't like one thing about this. No spaces. I want spaces. So let's fix that. Okay, go back into my code. Right here where it adds on that comma, I'm just going to put a space. Okay, save. Let's try it out. Oh, there we go. Now we got the spaces. All right. We could have done a lot of different stuff with that data. Maybe we could have added in hello and had it say hello to them. We can take in these values from a spreadsheet and then process that information in all different ways. Okay, if you are interested in learning more, please come on back, and we're gonna keep teaching a little bit of coding and a little bit of the California Computer Science Standards with AppScript for you, the teacher. Have a great day. Bye.